In this video, we will create labels from imported data and add an incremental number counter into the labels using automation tags. Start by clicking on Import Data and select your data file. Next, let's customize the label template. Note we have included a number tag in addition to the regular personalization tags. This number tag is part of our automation tags and will generate the incremental counter. Let's review the data and choose the columns we wish to import into the label by checking the Import checkbox. Under the drop-down list, select the matching personalization tag for the column. We want to mention the contact data shown here are dummy data created for demo purposes. There are 99 records, 1 record per row. This will generate 99 labels. Next, let's choose the Import button to generate labels. For this demo, we have selected a commonly used address size label, with 21 labels per sheet. The imported data has generated 5 pages of labels. This app supports hundreds of different label sizes. If you need to change to a new label size, go to Toolbar and select Label Size. These auto-generated labels from imported data follow the import template layout and formatting. Note there is a number tag at the bottom of each label. This is our automation tag representing increment counters. Go to Toolbar and select Automation Tags. Click on Render Tags now to change the number tag into number values. The labels are now marked with a sequential number counters from 1 to 99. Please review these labels and make individual label edits as needed. When ready, click on Print to print labels. Thanks for watching. As a reminder, features in this demo are only available in the Pro Edition.